number system conversion, we are going to convert binary to decimal, octal and hexadecimal number. First one is binary to decimal conversion. In this we are going to use the positional notation method. In this we want to write the binary digits and list down the power of 2 from left to right, that is power of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, etc. For each positional notation return for the digit, now write the equivalent weight. Multiply each digits with its corresponding weight, then add all the value, we will get the decimal number. Let's see this example. Convert 1101 to the base 2 to the decimal value. So we want to write this number 11001. Now you just draw these lines, so it is easy to calculate. Now write these corresponding value in this line. Write this corresponding value in this 111001. Now multiply these binary values to its power, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. First you calculate the multiplication by 0 value, so you just put 0 here. Then you calculate other value. So 2 power 0, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 power 3 equal to 6. Sorry, 8, here 16. So we want to add everything. So the answer will be 25. So the answer is 25 to the base 10. The second one is binary to octal conversion. In this we are going to convert this number, this binary number to its octal number. For this we want to group each given binary number into 3 bits from right to left. 3, 3. So we want to group this binary number into 3 bits from right to left. So we can write it as 110, 010, 1, 1. You can add a preceding 0 to make a group of 3 bits if the leftmost group has less than 3 bits. So we are going to add one 0 here. So by using the 2's power positional weight, we are going to converting this. That is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. So you eliminate this 0 and then add these two values. 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2. That is, the value is 6, and for this value 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Eliminate these two. The answer is 2. Here the value is 3. So its equivalent octal value is 326 to the base 8. Third one is binary to hexadecimal conversion. For example, convert this binary number to hexadecimal number. In this, first you want to group the given number into 4 bits from right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bit. So let's write this as 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. If we want to add the preceding 0 to make the group of 4 bit if the leftmost group has less than 4 bits. So we want to add 2 zeros here. Now convert the equivalent hexadecimal value using 2's power positional weight method. That is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Eliminate this 0 part. Then 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2, that is equal to 6. Here 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Eliminate this, we will get the value as D. That is hexadecimal value. Here 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Eliminate these two. So 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So our answer is 3D6 to the base 16.